Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I am doing the third challenge prompt for this month, that word being treasure. Now I need some extra money in my life right now, so let's hope this treasure is real. So with this piece being treasure for the word, I went and found a fake pirate coin that I got the last time I went down to Florida, and I used that as the reference for this piece. I thought with this piece I would make it just a little bit smaller so I could maybe use it as a patch or something. I haven't painted something that resembles metal in some time, so I knew it would be fun to attempt it on this painting. Which I'll definitely say was a little bit harder doing it on fabric over paper and canvas, but in the end I was actually really happy with how it all turned out. And I really hope that everyone is having fun with these materials this month. I know I've been having a blast making stuff with these paints. But I am going to be quiet and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word treasure. Now I think this turned out pretty cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Also, don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, they're on the back of your brochure, right on the bottom there for you. Also, make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you like my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!